Last time on Races to Places, the boys slept al fresco style.
Sun is shining, weather is sweet, yeah.
An al fresco bedroom with a serious view.
And this is how we keep our feet warm. I put in a windbreaker, otherwise known as jackets, over our feet.
On top of the world, on top of this mast, on what is the last day with Mr. Eddie Meek on Races to Places. It's been epic. We've spent a month together riding through the mountains in the United States, but it's now time to move on to the next chapter. Races to Places.
Whoa, nearly. Look at the views here, it's awesome. A bit of abandoned single track. We hope there's no fallen trees or anything.
Well, this is a sad day on Races to Places. The last day of riding with Eddie. Let's take the opportunity to take a look back over some Eddie Meek highlights.
Where did the bike come from, Eddie?
Came from some factory racer called Mr. Poskitt.
Eddie, I give you my camera for 2 minutes and look what you start filming.
There you go, mate. I got something for you.
Oh, thanks, mate.
You can have that.
Cheers. Well, you need that, mate.
See, Eddie's been on Races to Places less than a week and we're already going out partying.
She made you lose control. The girl is sweet like candy, but hot like a flame. Your body's so amazing, it'll drive you insane. The girl really knows my mind.
Ed, come back!
That's all it takes.
What are we doing now, mate?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Yeah, bit of hand action there. You're pumping. What time is it now?
Huh?
It's, yeah, just seeing how long it takes.
Well, the day is here when it's time to say goodbye to Eddie. He has been a legend on Races to Places, and he and Sheila have really given their all in some testing conditions.
Don't get too lonely on your own, eh?
Oh, but I'll have to start singing to myself.
See you, mate. Take care. Let me know you get there safe, yeah? Hey! See you, mate. Take care.
Lyndon's friend Mike Johnson has turned up today for some rally training. So, road books loaded, it's time to get out on the trails.
Dark now, see the instruments lighting up, but we're getting closer, we're nearly done. What a day! Woo!
Oh man, I could not see anything. We made it.
What an awesome day! As you can see, I'm doing some work on Basel bike after the past 30,000 kilometres of riding here in North America. From here though, today I fly to the UK to pick up a new KTM Factory 450 rally bike for Dakar 2017. I've got a bunch of work to do on that to prepare it for the race. I'm going to be testing it, doing the suspension setup and all that stuff in the UK. Well, good morning peeps. This morning we are in the UK. Got a deal with CTI to get measured up for a pair of custom knee braces for Dakar 2017. CTI UK, I've just been measured up for the custom brace, which is absolutely made and machined and everything formed to fit my leg perfectly. But while I'm here, I also got fitted for the next week while I'm testing the Dakar bike and everything. An off-the-shelf set of knee braces just to wear for the next week and kind of get used to the fit and feel of a CTI brace. So there we have it, my first set of CTI knee braces, and I'll be back in 10 days to get my custom ones, and I'm super excited.
Over the last 6 months, Lyndon has been talking to Motorex Oils about riding a Motorex Green KTM Factory 450RR in the 2017 Dakar Rally to celebrate the company's 100th anniversary. The ride has now been confirmed and the bike delivered. So, what better way to start this new partnership than ringing up Mikey and arranging a little promotional filming time.
everything seems it's going right. Don't let your heart stop, don't give up the fight. You cannot live without what you see, only believe.
Leaving the UK, it's time to jet to the east of China, where Lyndon has been invited by KTM as a VIP and guest rider to their T3, which means a team of 3 compete at Orange Day. It's also the launch party of the KTM 690 Duke, so Lyndon's going to have plenty going on here. Some of the terrain the riders have to get the big adventure bikes through looks pretty gnarly. Another rider tasted the dirt here. This section is catching a lot of people out.
Just having some nice Chinese food here. Lunchtime with the boys.
With the T3 wrapped up today, Lyndon is going back to check out the sights of Dali, where he's been staying. Next time on Races to Places, it's back on with the usual show, and we are in Mexico.